Photoshop can sometimes seem really daunting when trying to do just the simple basic tasks like removing an object, but there is an easy way. Greetings all. Yeah, today, nice quick simple one, and I want to actually go on removing objects in Photoshop. And the thing is, I'm going to be using a tool. It's still in beta at the moment, and in some ways I've probably criticised this tool a little bit, but I actually wanted to look at the positive sides that this tool could be used for. So in the previous video I've gone about generative AI and how it's actually really powerful, and in some ways I did sort of mock it because it has the ability, being AI, to pretty much create images that you didn't really do yourself. So from a photographer's point of view, it's not really good. When you actually go looking at this tool and its capabilities and what it should be used for, it's amazing. So let's just jump in and I'll show you what it can do. Okay, so I'm going to use this image here. This was actually taken a couple of years back at the Swanage Carnival. And what I want to actually do is, I just actually want to remove one of the pirates. And this is probably going to show you just a little bit of how powerful and clever that this actual generative fill actually is. So yeah, let's just quickly go around. So we're going to use the lasso tool, and it's going to just quickly go around the pirate like so, and it is only going to be very quickly like so. And let's see, so there we go. So generative fill, and what all we need to do is remove a person and let's see what it can do. And I've been playing around with this. I've done a couple of others, and I've been just really amazed with the results. And it's the speed more than anything as well, because something like this would actually take, oh my god. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the options that it's got here. That one looks rather weird. I don't know which one. I'm going to regenerate on that one there. But I mean, that is just how I just, yeah, gobsmacked, absolute gobsmacked. Oh, they look too bad. That looks a bit more. Yeah, that guy's looking. So yeah, that does look a bit more. Not too keen on that one. God, look at his face. Oh, that looks a bit weird. So we're not. Yeah, I think we're probably going to go with this one. But you see how quick and simple that was, and you can do this with anything. You can remove absolutely anything with this. It is so handy. And I mean, I used to use a patch tool before for removing small objects. I probably still will do, but if I've got to remove something a bit larger, I think I'm going to end up using this. So yeah, that is literally it. That was how quick and simple it is. So if you want to remove anything in Photoshop, generative AI. So yeah, let's go with the that's the before, after, and I look at that. It's even actually put the remainder of the flowers in. Do you see that there? Because I mean, the part of the flowers just on his shoulder. It's even put the flowers in. Just kept that. That's pretty good. And even looking at the shoulder here, yeah, that is really done a fantastic job. Wow, brilliant, just absolutely brilliant. If you need to know how to get hold of the generative fill, because obviously at the moment it's not actually in the full release, it's a beta release, then you're going to need to obviously check out my previous video which is going on about AI in photography. I'll leave a link above for that one. And yeah, but basically you just need to open your Creative Cloud, and you've got beta apps on there, and just download it from there. I hope you enjoyed this one anyway, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, I'll see you soon.